This is Gasping, and today I'm reviewing the new Ninjago set. This is set 70750, includes seven minifigures, and is the biggest Ninjago set of the pre-16. Okay, let's have a look at the set. He shoots! He misses because there's no goal! Okay, now we have our minifigures. We have Nia, Kai, Sensei G, Pythor, Choprai, Kapow, and Otto. Nia is Kai's brother. Sister, not mother. She's a girl. She has the mask we've been seeing for years. She has some silver armour with black swords. And she's one of the most armoured Ninjago figures. Next we have Kai. He is the ninja of fire, shoots fire and stuff, and he has two swords on the back. However, these are not sword carriers. And Kai is one of the main ninjas of the set. I'm not sure if the people at Lego just put that there because they like Kai, but he's the main character of the set. Next we have Sensei G, or Sensei Garmadon. He was once Lord Garmadon after a big fight which lasted from 2011 to 2013. All of the bands rushed out of him and became Sensei Garmadon. He has his wooden stick, and on the back he has an anaconda tattoo. So he was once working for Master Chen. Next we have Pythor. He's the leader of the anaconda. Master Chen and his fellows are turning their anaconda warriors into anaconda. So he's not very happy about it. And he might turn on to the ninja side to help. He also has a pirate sword to help him. Next we have Choprai. He is an anaconda with the anaconda armour we've been seeing. On the back he has a skull type thing. And some people think that you cannot put them on bricks. Well, on bricks. So this is a normal plate from Lego. Watch this. Fits, but it also has the same tail. Next we have Kapow. He is
Pow!
Yeah, like that. His name, he did not come up with that name. Master Chen did not come up with that name. He came up with that name entirely by himself. Next we have Otto. In case of the ninja didn't get their driver's license, because who would get their driver's license when they could fly around in jets and make weapons, and make cars out of their weapons? So Otto is their driver. So either they needed to get out and then fight the baddies. Well, I'm not sure. They need a driver. Let's get on to the anaconda post. This is the anaconda post. I've just came up with that myself, and I'm not sure if it is. It's got two of the swords, the pirate swords there. I'm sorry if that's silver. It's the same as that, but I've misplaced it. So it has the anaconda bait, the anaconda thing we've been seeing. I'm not sure what you call that, so don't tell me off don't tell me off. And there are these leaf things here. Now let's move on to the DBX. DBX is in two parts. It looks just like one car, but it's more than that. It's the ninja's base. So, the car and the trunk. The base and the trunk. Let's do that first. So the base looks like an end, but I know what you're thinking. It's just this thing, but if you pull this, it pops out, leaving you to play with it. Put that here, and this here. This is not one of the quickest sets to build. Also, what you can do, if that's not even much, you can pull these down and it reveals Kai's bike. It must be pretty cool. But hopefully Auto won't get it. Whee! I don't have my driver's license! Blech. Okay, on the top we have this pillar and it has this lookout station on top. It should go on it. It looks like an ordinary one, but you can take it off and then make it a flying thing. It also has this stud shooters we've been seeing. Pew! You also have this thing here, which looks really cool. But let's move on to the car. This is the car. It goes forward and back. It has space for 2 minifigures. It has an awesome bit at the front. And whenever it moves, it makes this noise. Sorry, it's broken. It also has these very large daggers. And I think the ninja can't touch it. Well, no one can hold it, even if they want. Okay, his hands came off. Not even Auto can hold it. Okay, so this is the Ninja DBX. Tell me what you think of the set, and if it's worth buying. I think it's really worth buying because of the minifigures. Look, even if you don't like Ninjago, I think you should get the set for the pieces. It has some pretty insane pieces. And Sensei Wu's hat. I don't think this has ever. I think this has only ever appeared in set with Sensei Wu. I can't be sure, but okay. This set is worth £60. So I guess I'm going now. So bye.